Hi, I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. If you watched my review from a couple of days ago, you would have known that I did a Kate Spade geo print with birds on it. It's called the Sylvia, which stands for in Latin forest and or trees. And my biggest problem with this was finding a wallet that would pair well with it. They do have a matching wallet, but I'm kind of in the notion of not having the exact matching wallet. Also, it had the keychain on it, where I guess you would clip it somewhere, and I just wasn't a fan of it. So the search began, and Coach won out. Now, I don't feel bad for putting Coach in with Kate Spade, because Coach is the parent company of Kate Spade, even though they usually use a different color palette. So, let's get into this beautiful wallet. Alright, this is perfect size, and it's a little hard to tell, but it is in the color of oxblood, or I'm going to refer to it as a deep burgundy. We'll do a color match right away, and you can see they complement each other quite well. And stay tuned to the end and we'll see if it fits, because I have yet to try. Let's start with the outside of it. It's got the classic C for Coach. It folds a couple of times, and it's got a little coin purse on the back. Oh, there's some paper in there. Let's get that out and see what they have going on in there. I was hoping there'd be coins. It's decent sized. You're not going to get a lot. It has your atypical expanding material right here that allows you to drop some coins in there. But for being a smaller wallet, I wasn't expecting a huge change section. Oh, this is nice. Right here on the zipper, they even went to the detail of writing Coach on it. So, I mean, just, they go above and beyond every time. It really has a real nice feel to it. It's almost a supple leather, but it's textured, and so it's not quite a tumbled leather that you'll find in some bags and wallets. Oh, I dropped the care instructions. I think I have enough of those by now. We have our tag, and let's see. This is not a driver's license, so it's just a blank card. All right. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that lipstick red. That is an amazing color. As you can tell with my red couch here, that I do have an affinity for the color, and it's carried throughout the inside. Now, this would be considered a trifold, and you're gonna be tucking, I don't think you're gonna tuck your money in right here, but you're gonna be tucking your money down into this really nice, easily accessible slot. I find it, I get anxiety and I get embarrassed when I'm checking out and I'm paying with cash and I'm trying to get it back into my wallet. My Louis Vuitton was always really tight, and it was like I was sitting there and you can't grab your groceries and your money in your hand, and you're walking off funny, so the person behind you is hemming and hawing. And with this, you can just easily slide it in there. If it's not perfect, just close it up real quick, wait till you get back to your car or whatever, and that's when you can really put the money in the way you want to, if you have that same problem. I like that it opens this way and the billfolds go in this way. I can't say I've ever seen that before, but it is a interesting design. There's not much left to say about it. We've got a couple of card slots here. I think they could have put in more, but there's only 2 right here on this side. And then down here, keeping with the vertical aspect of the wallet, there's 3 card slots. It says Coach down there at the bottom. And now let's get to the part we've been waiting for. The wallet and the oh so beautiful Kate Spade. Now, in my last review I showed how without opening the bag and digging around for your wallet, you can easily open up this magnetic back. That will allow you to, hopefully, let's see, drop your wallet down in. Alright, with the wallet in there, it's not really adding any thickness or anything. However, the only thing I have in here is nothing. So I'll feel around in there. Yeah, it's going to protrude some. You'll see here, or not, because it's too dark. Well, yeah, you can see there the outline of the wallet. So it's going to eat in some into your interior space. But what is so amazing about this bag is you cannot see the outline of that wallet in there. And it is in this really just so easily accessible pouch right here. And I mean, just, you've got to marvel for a second at the beauty of that wallet sitting in that satin fabric with the classic Kate Spade logo. This is something you could take as a daily very easily and get a lot of use out of it. It is a very beautiful bag with now a complimentary, very beautiful wallet. Alright, I'm Travis. Thanks for hanging out in my closet, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, quick announcement. I now have a Tumblr and an Instagram. You can find me at Travis WTMC. That's Travis WTMC. Come over, drop a like, follow me. I'll be doing updates when I'm not doing posts, and I think I'm going to move Suit of the Day over to that instead of taking up time in the reviews. Anyways, thanks again. Oh, and Gunner. This is Gunner. Moo. Oh, this is Moo. All right, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you, honey. Bye.